Hello, we're showcasing Homespeed Beehive machine, double end saw. This machine is expertly designed for precise woodworking tasks. Its primary function is to simultaneously cut both ends of a wooden board. This ensures perfectly accurate dimensions for all your components. The operation is straightforward, allowing for high efficiency in your workflow. With precise and clean cuts, it prepares wood perfectly for assembly. Notice how it can effectively remove imperfections and trim ends to the exact length needed. Our double-end saw is a valuable asset for improving both productivity and the quality of your finished products.